Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at the GoPro Hero 9. For producing high quality videos, the GoPro 9 is a huge investment with its added features including the front display, removable lens cover, ability to shoot in 5K, voice command and sophisticated stabilization features. With a new image sensor, it captures video up to 5K in 30 frames per second, 4K into 60 frames per second, 2.7K into 120 frames per second, 1440p in 120 frames per second, and then 1080p into 40 frames per second, which is excellent for slow motion footage. The camera of 20 megapixels can choose between two image formats for still photos, such as JPEG or RAW, which is another word for GPR. That has a wider dynamic range and far greater color spectrums than the usual JPEGs. It has a full color front display LCD screen with live preview and status modes, 2-inch rear touch display, USB-C charging, GPS, voice activation, front-facing microphone with improved audio, but in all, it has 3 microphones, removable lens cover, removable rechargeable battery of 1720 mAh. It will give you plus minus 30% more battery life than the previous Hero 8, which means full battery life will give you about 100 minutes shooting in Full HD and 90 minutes when shooting in 5K. It can be used as a webcam and live streaming, shooting in 1080p. We also have a speaker for audio playback. The GoPro Hero 9 can take memory cards up to 256GB. You don't actually need an ultra fast micro SD memory card, because the 5K recording mode is only up to 100 megabits per second, which translates to 12.5 megabytes per second. So when you purchase a memory card, make sure it comes with a minimum rating spec of U3, which is, in other words, 30 megabytes per second. The GoPro Hero 9 is waterproof. It can also go as deep as 10 meters without a protective case. So if you're looking for a camera that you can use in a range of environments, then the GoPro Hero 9 is worth buying. Given its superb stabilization feature, amazing sound input, and excellent photo and video resolution, it can definitely keep up with your active lifestyle, your holidays, suited for water sports and other outdoor activities. And that brings us to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.